Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn exactly how to share a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're new to the platform or just getting used to the redesign, this quick guide will walk you through every step so you can share posts effortlessly and stay connected with friends, followers, and your favorite creators. First things first, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access your home feed. Once you're in, take a moment to scroll through your timeline or search for the post you want to share. This could be a post that caught your attention, a video you found interesting, or just something you'd like others to see. When you've found the post you want, look right below it for the familiar share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing upward and to the right. This is your key to sharing any post quickly and easily. Click on that share icon, and a small menu will appear with different sharing options. From here, select Share Post Via. This will open up a new set of options that let you choose exactly how you want to share it. You can copy the link to the post and paste it wherever you'd like, or share it directly to another platform such as Instagram, Facebook, or even through email. The choice is completely yours. Once you've chosen where to share it, follow the on-screen prompts from that platform or app, and your post will be sent out instantly. That's it. You've just shared a post from X on your PC in a few seconds, using the latest update. The new sharing menu is designed to make things much smoother, giving you quicker access to your favorite sharing options, while keeping the layout clean and easy to use. So now open the X app, find the post you want, click the share icon, select Share Post Via, and share it wherever you like,